Hello, lovelies. I'm so excited to have you here today, ready to dive into a world of color, creativity, and self-love. Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting out, remember, this is your time to shine and have fun. Today, we're creating a bold, fun party makeup look that's all about confidence and self-expression. Don't be afraid to play with vibrant shades and daring styles. Makeup is your playground, and there are no rules except to enjoy yourself. Think of your face as a canvas. We're about to paint a masterpiece with color and sparkle. Every brushstroke is a chance to show off your unique personality and mood, so let your imagination run wild. First, prep your skin. Cleanse thoroughly to remove any dirt or oil, and gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. This step is essential for a fresh, clean base that will help your makeup look its best. Next, moisturize for a smooth, hydrated base. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Lightweight for oily skin, richer for dry skin. Massage it in with upward strokes to boost circulation and give your skin a healthy glow. Let the moisturizer sink in for a minute or two, allowing your skin to fully absorb all that nourishing goodness. This helps create a plump, dewy surface that's perfect for makeup application. Then, apply a primer suited to your skin type, mattifying for oily, hydrating for dry. Primer smooths out texture, blurs pores, and creates a flawless canvas for your foundation and colors to adhere to. Primer helps your makeup last and look flawless all night, even through dancing, laughter, and endless selfies. It's the secret to keeping your look fresh from the first photo to the last. Smooth it on gently with your fingertips, focusing on areas where makeup tends to fade or crease, like your T-zone and cheeks. Take your time. This step makes all the difference. Healthy, happy skin is the best starting point for any look. When your skin feels good, your confidence shines through, making every color pop even brighter. Now, your skin is perfectly prepped and ready for foundation. You've set the stage for a stunning, creative transformation. Let's get started and make some magic together. With your skin freshly prepped and hydrated, it's time to lay the foundation for a flawless makeup look. Creating a perfect base is all about evenness, radiance, and making sure your makeup lasts all day, or all night, no matter the occasion. Start by choosing a foundation that matches your skin tone exactly. This is key for a natural look. Apply it using a damp makeup sponge, which helps the product melt into your skin for a seamless, airbrushed finish. Don't forget to build up coverage gradually, focusing on areas that need a little extra help. Blend the foundation well, not just on your face but also down your neck and along your jawline. This step is crucial to avoid any harsh lines or mismatched tones, ensuring your base looks as natural as possible from every angle. Next, reach for a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply it under your eyes to brighten and on any blemishes or redness for extra coverage. Use a gentle patting motion with your finger or a small brush to blend, being careful not to disturb the foundation underneath. To lock everything in place, set your base with a light dusting of translucent powder. Focus especially on your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, where oil tends to build up, and under your eyes to prevent creasing. This step helps your makeup stay fresh and matte for hours. Setting your base not only keeps shine at bay, but also ensures your makeup won't budge, even if you're dancing or celebrating all night long. You'll feel confident knowing your skin looks smooth and perfected. Take your time with blending. This is the secret to a truly flawless base. Use gentle, dabbing motions and check your work in natural light if possible. The more you blend, the more natural and skin-like your makeup will appear. Now, your canvas is smooth even, and ready for the fun part, adding color and dimension. Admire your work in the mirror, and notice how your skin glows with a healthy, perfected finish. With your base perfected, let's move on to the eyes and start bringing your look to life. When it comes to creating a show-stopping party look, your eyes are truly the center of attention, the star of the whole ensemble. They're the first thing people notice, and the perfect place to play with color, shimmer, and bold creativity. Whether you want to go dramatic or keep it playful, your eyes set the tone for your entire makeup vibe. Start by applying a thin layer of eyeshadow primer to your lids. This step is essential for making sure your eyeshadow stays vibrant, resists creasing, and lasts all night long, no matter how much you dance or celebrate. Next, sweep a bold jewel-toned shadow, Think emerald, sapphire, or amethyst across your lids. Then, take a slightly darker shade and blend it into your crease to add depth and dimension, making your eyes look bigger and more defined. Use a fluffy brush to blend the colors together until you have a seamless gradient. The key is to avoid any harsh lines, so take your time and blend, blend, blend for that professional, airbrushed finish. For a dazzling effect, tap a bit of shimmer or glitter eyeshadow right onto the center of your lids. This catches the light beautifully and gives your eyes that extra pop, making them sparkle every time you blink. Define your eyes by gliding on black liquid or gel liner along your upper lash line. If you're feeling bold, flick it out into a small wing for a playful, lifted look that adds instant drama. Finish your eye look with a few generous coats of volumizing mascara. Wiggle the wand from root to tip to separate and thicken each lash, creating a dramatic, fluttery effect that frames your eyes perfectly. Now step back and admire your work. Your eyes are sparkling, colorful, and full of personality, ready to light up any party. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your look. With your eyes complete, it's time to add a healthy flush to your cheeks and a pop of color to your lips to finish your party transformation. Bring warmth to your face with a vibrant blush. Smile and sweep it onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. Add a touch of highlighter to your cheekbones, nose, brow bone, and Cupid's bow for a radiant glow. For lips, choose a bold shade, classic red, berry, or fuchsia. Line your lips for definition, then apply lipstick directly or with a brush for precision. Blot and reapply for long-lasting color. This combo of glowing cheeks and statement lips completes your party look. Confidence is key. Wear your smile proudly. Let's lock it all in for the night. To keep your makeup flawless, finish with a setting spray, mist in an X and T shape, then let it dry naturally. Bring your lipstick and blotting papers for quick touch-ups during the party. Blot away shine, reapply lip color, and you'll stay fresh all night. Remember, makeup is about self-expression. Experiment and have fun. Shine bright, enjoy the celebration, and let your confidence be your best accessory. You look amazing. Now go out and own the night. Have a fantastic time.